there, beautiful people. It's Shawa here, and welcome back to the channel. But most importantly, welcome back to the Best You Project 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. You can follow along with us either with the free PDF printable template that you can use, write things down, or you can purchase our Notion template, which is going to help you to create all of the systems that you need. I'm going to leave the links for you to get them down below. And also do not forget that we have a Telegram group where you can ask questions, where you can just stay motivated with other people that are taking the challenge like you. So yeah, guys, let us get on to what we have for today. All right, beautiful people. So, welcome back to the 21 day challenge. And today is day 2 where we're going to be defining our core values. Okay, what matters to us. Okay, because it's very important that you really take stock of everything that you feel is important to you. Because when you know what is important to you based on the values that you want to live your life based on, you can make sure that you are living a life for yourself. Okay, so anytime you want to make decisions, anytime you want to set these goals, okay, because we're going to be setting goals and you want to make sure that you have that self-awareness of, okay, yes, this is important to me, this is what I'm working towards. Okay, so yeah, that is what we're going to be doing in this video. We're going to be making sure that we are building a life that aligns with the values that we want to have in our lives. Okay, so this is basically going to be like the foundation of the challenge. So yeah, get your resources and let us get started. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with the PDF template. So if you downloaded the PDF template, is actually free. You're going to see this here. So this is just like a list of all of the possible, words that you can say, okay, this is my value. Okay, so I think being brave is really important to me because next year maybe you want to embark on something that you've not done before, and you don't want fear to get in the way of that. Then you can decide, okay, I want to be brave. So every time you can go back to this list, go back to what matters to you most. So of course you just want to circle it. So you're just going to be circling the ones that you feel is most important to you. So in order for you to not have to reprint this, you can just use pencil to circle it out if you do not want to like in case you make a mistake, or in case you change up something like that. But if you do not want it to be like this, you want it to be even more effective and even more efficient for you, then you can check our Notion template, which we're going to be going over right now. Okay, so once you open the template, as you can see here, we have the day 2, which is define your core values. So we're just going to click on that. And then once we click on that, as you can see here now, we have the template. So we have 3 steps: identify what's important, search your priorities, and then refine to top 5 and top 3. Okay, and the reason why this template is really effective is because it can be really hard for you to like just look at it and just say, okay, let me just pick 3, because it's kind of like you want to be picking, and then you remove some, you pick again, you remove some. So that's just the way we're going to be doing it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to identify what's important. Okay, because with this, as you can see, we have a lot of values that are important, that are good, all these values. If we were Jesus, then we have all these values going for us, right? But we're not Jesus, we're just humans. So even though all these things are good to have, you just have to choose, okay, what is important to me. Okay, so as you can see here now, once we're going to be doing, we're just going to be clicking. So you just want to like go through it. As you can see here, this is the explanation here. So just click. So I would advise for you to like pick maybe like 20 of the things that are most important to you at this time. So as you can see, as you're checking it, it's going to be showing the amount of values that you've checked. As you can see, we have a total of 50. So yeah, just click and just I'm just picking a random, but of course you want to like really look at it and like take your time to like really decide, okay, yeah, this is important to me. So you have to pick just 2. All right, so now that we are done with that, then you now want to go, okay, what are your priorities? Okay, so yeah, all of these ones, they are important, but they are not our priority, right? So out of these priorities, you want to choose your top 10. Okay, so as you can see here now, once we have clicked all those ones, there's only the ones that we have clicked that is going to show. Okay, so we have done it in such a way that if, for instance, now you go back here, as you can see here, let's say for instance adaptable, we didn't choose adaptable, but we chose adventurous. So if you go back to the search of priorities, as you can see, adventurous is there, but adaptable is not there. So that is just a really cool way for you to just like be more focused on what you want to do. Okay, so yeah, as you can see now, we're going to choose the top 10. So I'm just picking at random, but of course, you want to take your time to do this. So now, as you can see, we've picked the top 10. So at this point now, you can go to this tab here, so you can see all of the ones that are your top 10, and you can see the ones that are not your top 10. Okay, so the ones that you did not choose at top 10. So if you want to, change it up, maybe you go over this and you decide that this is actually important to me, then you can just go back and just like filter it even more and all of that. And then we're going to be going to our top five and top three, okay? Because it's very important for you to have just three. So when push comes to shove, you do not have to worry about 10 values, 50 values. No, you just look at your top three. What are those three that are important to me? And of course, it can take some time because you have to really think about it, but do not hesitate. Do not be like, oh, it's too much work for me to think about and let me not just do it. Just do it. Just follow your intuition. If you notice that you are overthinking it, just follow your intuition and just go best with what your heart is telling you to do. So yeah, so as you can see here now, we have only the top 10 that we chose, so let's just pick top 5. All right, so as you can see, we have 5 now. So when we go to top 5, as you can see, we have the top 5 showing, and then we're going to be narrowing it down to just 3. So you just pick 3. So let's say you are dependable and determined. So these are your top 3. And as you can see here now, they're going to show here. So you'll be able to see, okay, I want to be a considerate person. I want to be a dependable person. I want to be a determined person. And as you can see in your daily dashboard, you're going to always have these your top 3 words here, just for you to always remember them and always make sure that you are living your life in alignment with these values. Okay. So yeah, guys, well done and completing day 2. I hope that you come around tomorrow for day 3, where we're going to be talking about rating our life areas. So yeah, guys, that's that for this video, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.